are going to start with chapter 7, more on Microsoft Paint, part 8. In this video, we are going to do a practical using Microsoft Paint. Today, we will learn to use polygon tool, text tool and magnifier tool. So, let's begin the practical session. First, we will see polygon tool. The polygon tool is used to draw closed shapes having 3 or more sides. Children, to draw a polygon in the shapes group, click the polygon tool. This is the polygon tool icon. Click on this polygon tool icon. Now select the thickness. I will select thickness. Outline style. I will select natural pencil and fill style for the polygon. Click on this fill tool and select the fill style. I will select this watercolor option. Now click and drag in the drawing area to draw the first side of the polygon. Now click at a point in the drawing area where you want the second side to end. I will click here. Click at different point to draw more sides as desired. Now I will click here. Click on the first point of the polygon to complete the drawing. In this way, children, you can use polygon tool. Now we will learn how to use curve tool in Microsoft Paint. The curve tool is used to draw curved lines. This is the curve tool. Select this curve tool from shapes group. Select the style, thickness and color for the outline of the curve. I will select outline for the curve, solid color. Then I will select size of the outline. After that I will select color for the outline. Now click and drag the pointer in the drawing area. This is the drawing area. Click with the help of mouse and drag the pointer in the drawing area to draw a line. Click the point on the line where you want the curve. Click here and then drag the pointer up or down the line to adjust the curve. Drag the pointer with the help of mouse. Now release the mouse button. Click again. Click a point on the curve and drag the pointer to adjust the curve. In this way, children, you can use curve tool from the shapes group to draw a curve lines. Now we will see, children, text tool. This is the text tool. The text tool is used to enter text, letters, numbers or symbols in your picture. Children, to enter text in a picture, click on the text tool. This is the text tool. Click on this text tool. Move the pointer on the drawing area. The pointer changes to a cursor. Click the position. I will click here where you want to enter text. You can see, children, a text placeholder appears on the drawing area. This dotted rectangular box is called a placeholder. Text tab under text tool appears on the ribbon. This is the text tab. यह text tab है which will appear on the ribbon. On the text tab, this is the text tab. This is the font group. इसे font group कहते हैं. Select the font face from here. You can select the font face. Select any one style. If you want to increase the font size, अगर आप text की size increase करना चाहते हैं, you can increase from here. Now click color one and select a color for the text from the color palette. Now type the desired text. Bring your cursor here and with the help of keyboard, type the desired text. I will write, always speak truth. In this way, children, you can use text tool. You can change the font size from here, change the style of the font. I will select this. Now change the font size, bold, italic. I want italic. Change the color from color palette. You can see children text with different font faces and style. In this way children, you can use text tool in Microsoft Paint. Now we will see how to use magnifier tool. Children, this is the magnifier tool icon. The magnifier tool is used to zoom in or zoom out on a part of a picture. First, you have to draw the picture. I will draw a picture first. First, draw a picture. What is the use of magnifier tool, children? The magnifier tool is used to zoom in or zoom out on a part of a पिक्चर. मैग्नीफायर टूल का यूज़ किसी पिक्चर के पार्ट को बड़ा करके या छोटा करके देखने के लिए किया जाता है. To zoom in or out on a part of a picture, let us see the steps. In the tools group, click the magnifier tool. This is the magnifier tool, children. Click on this magnifier tool. The pointer changes to a magnifying glass icon. Click a part of the picture to view it in enlarged size. I will click on this part of a picture. You can see a part of a picture in enlarged size now, children. If you want to see a part of a picture in reduced size, then right click a part of picture. Now you can see the picture in reduced size. In this way children, you can use a magnifier tool. I hope children, all of you understood how to use magnifier tool, polygon tool and text tool. It's all for today. We will continue the same topic in the next video. Till then, bye bye.